Okay, here we are, first sea day of the last 2 sea days before we get back into port. Boo! But I gotta tell you, those 4 stops were pretty exhausting. So we are going to lay by the pool, just rest ourselves, and do whatever we decide to do today.
Something to eat now. We just sat by the pool for hours.
Hours.
And hours, and they had the St. Jude's
which I got a signed there by the captain.
Somebody drank a lot?
Yes. We're gonna go to 10 and we're gonna check it out.
So now we're gonna get something to eat because we had no lunch. We haven't eaten since breakfast this morning. It's almost 4 o'clock.
I took 3 bites of my burrito. That's it.
Wasn't good?
It was good, but I just couldn't eat it.
There she is, Miss America.
Miss America.
America.
Hi.
It's America.
We're going casual over the next 2 days.
America.
Shirt on.
American shorts on with American flags. America. So.
Uh-oh, the elevator's down. Note to self, elevator's down, so it might be hard to get to dinner tonight.
So we're getting ready to eat lunch. Kimberly's eating salad.
And pizza.
Yep.
What are you eating?
Pizza, salad.
You eating pizza?
No. I'm eating buffalo chicken sandwich from the deli.
I can't eat that. It's got too much anchovy taste.
Apparently I'm eating salad as well.
Oh, no
anchovy. On the anchovies. So I'm going to eat the anchovies.
Salad.
The anchovy Caesar salad.
I should know better.
She should know better.
But sometimes they make this the dressing without anchovies. Not this time.
How's your pizza? What kind of pizza did you get?
Prosciutto. It's always good. And you got a buffalo
chicken sandwich and French fries. Again.
How is it?
There it is. I haven't tasted it yet. I'm going to taste it right now.
Ready, camera, action!
You just spit on my arm.
All right, we're heading out to breakfast. This is our last sea day.
We're going to go eat breakfast. We have a lot of stuff to do on the last day. I have to go get pictures and t-shirts, and there's a party or something.
Yeah.
For the
Platinum and Diamond
members that we may go to. We're not sure. This afternoon, I have to finish packing.
I'm done.
So it's going to be kind of no pool or anything today.
Nah. So we're just going to get stuff done. Be ready.
And be ready to get off the ship early so we can get through customs because we get the priority debarkation. So we figured we can either wait on the ship, wait in the customs line, or wait at the airport, and we prefer to wait at the airport because our flight doesn't leave until 4 something.
Yeah.
Tomorrow afternoon, so that's it. We're going to get breakfast, and we will see you
After breakfast.
After breakfast.
Oops.
So I just finished the ropes course, and actually a little bit of putt-putt golf. And
What?
so we've got great POV shot of the ropes course with the GoPro on my head, and I thought we were going to have some video from below as well. What happened?
Well, you have two options. You can live with it, or you can go on it again.
But why don't we have the other video of the one from below?
That's why I said you have two options.
Because
I forgot to hit the record button. I turned the on and off button on.
she forgot to hit
This
the
is why
record
I
button.
am not the camera person and you are.
So anyway, you'll see the POV, obviously.
I'm the talent.
You'll see the POV. It was cool, especially for me, because I'm terrified of heights. So
Facing your demons, are we?
exactly. So I just need to look straight ahead. So
Don't look down. Don't look down.
that's right. So now we're going to Pig and Anchor. That's really the only place we haven't eaten on the ship yet. We will check back with you from Pig and Anchor.
Yes, and I will not be recording.
No, safe to say
That's true.
that I'll be recording.
Hey, I just got out of recording. Just kidding. I listened to part of the instructions apparently.
Yeah. Turn it on. This is how you focus. But she
That's
didn't hear,
all I heard. And
but
I
she didn't hear the part.
record.
This is the button that you hit to start recording.
I didn't hear that part.
So
I'm like, it's on. I'm focused. I'm good to go. Here we are, guys, Pig and Anchor. I forgot chicken and brisket, mac and cheese, coleslaw and beans. And I got sausage, coleslaw, mac and cheese, and beans. And this is our view. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So we're going to try the food, and then we'll let you know what we think of it. And speaking of, here he comes.
oh, you figured out the record button?
Yeah. Okay, we ate at Guy's Pig and Anchor, and a big thumbs up. It was very good.
It was.
I enjoyed the macaroni and cheese a lot. The barbecue sauces were real good. I had the sausage. The coleslaw was the bomb. I didn't care for the beans so much.
Yeah, they were okay. That was like, I mean, they weren't bad. They were just okay. But I had the chicken. I had some of the pork.
The pork was
the
good.
pork was like really good. So I agree. The coleslaw was the bomb. So, thumbs up for Pig and Anchor for sure.
All right.
Sorry, we only ate there once. It took us this long to get there. So, and then maybe sushi later.
Yes.
We'll see. So,
I won't eat sushi, but
I'm gonna pack now.
he's packing.
So, she's gonna help.
No, he didn't help me.
I was sleeping.
I'm gonna be sleeping.
I needed a nap.
I'm gonna be needing a nap.
Okay, so we'll talk to you later from the sushi bar, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
She's about to go to sleep. All right.
Can't have it all the time, baby. Oh.
Bye.
All right, bye.